Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing skin and wax. Cleanse thoroughly and pat dry, because wax grips oil and dirt and will pull hair more painfully if skin is unclean. Once done, perform a 24-hour patch test on the inner arm. This prevents allergic reactions. Next, heat the white chocolate face wax to about 40-45 degrees, stirring gently until silky. Test a small drop on your wrist. Now you're ready to apply small dots of wax to target zones using a wooden spatula. Apply wax in thin, even layers following hair growth so it grabs roots rather than breaking hair. Make strips about 1 inch wide and leave a slightly thicker edge for gripping. Pressing fabric over wax 2 to 3 times with firm pressure improves adhesion. Once set but still pliable, anchor skin taut with one hand and remove the strip in one quick motion against hair growth. Keeping your motion fast and low reduces pain and prevents skin stretching. Repeat in small sections for control. Finish by calming treated areas. Press a cool compress or use aloe vera gel to reduce redness and inflammation, because cooling constricts blood vessels and eases discomfort. Once wax residue remains, remove it gently with a post-wax oil or mineral oil and avoid exfoliation for 24-48 hours to allow follicles to recover. If you see persistent redness, swelling, or small whiteheads after 48 hours, stop treatments and consult a dermatologist. Key troubleshooting: if wax lifts unevenly, lower temperature slightly and apply thinner layers next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.